Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add a post carousel in Spectra page builder. So let me go to dashboard, and after that here in the plugin sections make sure that you have installed Spectra plugin. Let me scroll down, and here you can see this one I have installed. So now let me go into blog posts, and here you can see currently I have one blog post. So let me add here some more blog posts with the Faker Press. So I want to add dummy blog posts with the help of Faker Press plugin. So if you want to generate some blog posts within a single click, you can easily do that with the help of this plugin. Now let me scroll down, and after that here you can see different options. Click on the posts, and then here I can add quantity. For example, I want to generate 10 blog posts. Let me scroll down, click on generate button. So guys, within few seconds you will get blog posts generated. Alright, here you can see blog posts are done. So let me scroll up, and after that reload this page. So that's great. Now I want to create a new page. And here I want to give a name. Then click on the plus button. So now here I want to add a container, and I want to add one column row. Then again search for carousel. Here you can see this one. Just you can easily use drag and drop method. And after that here you can see these are the blog posts, and here you can use different features such as text alignment. You can select the post type, categories, then scroll down. You can add number of blog posts per page, then scroll down. You can set the default order such as date, title, random, as well as custom order. Then scroll down, you can increase or decrease columns. For example, if you want to add 2 columns, then here you can see it is changing accordingly. So I want to keep it 3 columns. You can also use this feature equal height, and then here you can see carousel settings. You can set autoplay speed, transition speed. You can enable disable autoplay. So these are the different basic features that you can easily use. And you can enable or disable featured image. You can set the image size. Then for the content you can disable anything such as date, comment, as well as here you can see different other things. You can also select the button design. For example, I want to select this one. Then go to style tab. Here you can see padding and margins. You can also add background color. Then you can also use typography options for the titles as well as content. After that, click on publish button. Now let's view this page. Scroll down. Here you can see blog post carousel is added. In this way you can easily use Spectra page builder and create a professional website design.